Hi, in today's video we'll be looking at the max card. We're looking at the color option in the max card. How to use the color option in the max card in Tableau. As you can see my screen, let me create a simple chart where I have the different categories of goods. I'm going to try to build this data here. Drag and drop the category section in the column, and then let's drag and drop the sales amount. Now I want to use the color section inside here. I have the sales for different categories of goods. If I want to do my analysis more in a way that I want to see the category, I want to see the sales for different countries. Now I have different countries here. I want to see the sales for different countries or for different region. All I need to do is to drag and drop this in the color section. And you can see the legend here telling me the color for Australia, the color for Canada is orange. So I can simply see the sales for each of this particular region. Or I might assume that I want to do the analysis on country basis or on group basis. All I need to do is to drag and drop this in the color section, and it will give me the sales for each country. For in each category of goods, I will be able to now see the sales for each country for each category of goods. Also, we can also have the color card. You can also have the color card here. We have a situation whereby we have, let's assume I want to create a map. I double click that, and that gives me the map. And if I'm interested to see the sales for each category of goods in different countries, all I need to do is to drag and drop the sales into the color card, and it will give me the sales for different countries. Now you can see the sum for sales here. You can see the value for sales as we go. This particular value is telling you that the sales for these countries that have a light color, that the sales amount is very low in those countries, while the countries with a large sales amount will have a deep color. You can see this deep color. That's why the sales in those countries are very that the sales in this country are very high, or we have a large amount of sales. I've also drag this and drop in the label section, and that will give me for each of those countries for Australia, United States, Canada, and then. So that is how you can work with the color section in the maps tab. And also I can click on this to edit the color. I can decide to choose any of this color I want on my map. And let's assume I want to go with as I want to pick that color, I click on apply and OK. You can see the color being reflected here. Also, let's assume I want to see the sales. I have the sales amount. Let me pick the date. So I want to see the sales. So if I'm interested to see the sales for various regions, or just see for various regions, all I need to click this. So it gives me the sales for various regions. But if I want to see the sales for various categories of goods, all I need to do is drag and drop here, and it will give me the sales for which categories of goods.